In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make tasks repeat in Akiflow. Imagine never having to remind yourself of those regular, recurring tasks again. With Akiflow, you can set up tasks to automatically reappear on your to-do list, saving you time and mental bandwidth. Let's go over how to make a task recurring, specifically designed for simple, repeating to-dos. This is the easiest way to ensure a specific task reappears on your list after completing it, whether it's a daily reminder to water your plants or a weekly check-in with your team. To begin, you'll want to access the task pop-up. Find the task you want to set as recurring and click on it to open its details window. This is where you can modify all aspects of the task, and it's an essential step to tailor your task management to fit your routine. Once you're in the task details view, you'll need to locate the repeat icon. This is the key to making your task recurring, and it usually shows up as a repeat icon, or may even be labeled as repetition, depending on your app version. It's specifically designed to make setting recurrences easy and hassle-free. After finding the repeat icon, go ahead and click it to choose your desired frequency. Here, you'll have a variety of preset options to select from, including daily, weekly, monthly, and even yearly repetitions. These presets cater to the most common repetition schedules you might need. But if your task requires a little more customization, Akiflow has you covered with a custom repeat option. You can tailor your recurring task to repeat every n number of days, weeks, or even months, allowing you to have granular control over your task schedule. This feature is particularly useful if your tasks don't follow a standard pattern. Additionally, you have the option to select specific days of the week for the task to recur. For instance, if there's an activity you want to repeat every Monday and Friday, you can set it up with just a few clicks. This flexibility ensures that your task management system aligns perfectly with your personal or professional schedule. And if you want to set boundaries for how long this task should recur, you can establish an end date or specify a number of times it should repeat. This is incredibly useful for projects with a finite timeline or for tasks that will eventually taper off. Once you've set your recurrence pattern, make sure to save your settings by closing the task details. This action will finalize your recurring task setup, ensuring it automatically returns to your to-do list at the designated times. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can transform endless reminders into automated, seamless productivity using Akiflow's recurring task feature. Happy task managing!